Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Do you love a good soak in the bathtub? That is one of my favorite ways to unwind and de-stress. But I start to get a little bored. So I want to be able to read or watch something, and that means I need a bath tray. When I saw this one from Temple Spring, I knew it would be perfect. So where I've been balancing the tray on my Japanese soaking tub is right at 21 inches width. And this actually fits really well. The tray itself is 27 inches when it's all closed up, but it expands out to over 41 inches. So this can accommodate so many different widths of tub. I love how many options it has. So it has a tray that lifts up so that you can place a book or a tablet or a phone. And check out this amazing wine glass holder. Oh my goodness, I was so excited about this feature because inevitably I knock over my wine glasses and this fits right into a little slot. Bonus, it comes with scrubbing gloves and a really soft washcloth. I got the acacia wood tray. I love the different colors and the grains of the wood, and I think it's just beautiful. I think you're gonna be just as pleased as I am with this tray. It just makes bath time so much better. Trust me, you're gonna love it. And that's my point of view.